If you want to be healthy and if you want to be happy, always remember that you have to focus on how clean your house is. It doesn't matter whether it's your department or not, whether you have help or not, whether you have a wife who's not doing it. It's up to you to make sure that your room, your house, your entrance is beautiful, clean. Your door at the entrance, the door doesn't make a noise when it opens, there's no creaking sound. Your door looks inviting. You have a nameplate outside your door. Your name has to be written, and some people write it in all kinds of weird ways. It has to be ascending, preferably, like my 2904, positive, not like some people like 2904, especially in Europe. Outside the houses in London, it's 540B, falling down. It has to go up. So your house, whatever you do for your health, if your health corner of your house is dirty, if it has got some skull in it for fashion, it's got some red color painting which has got some blood coming out of it, no, you cannot be healthy. You don't come to my classrooms. Because every corner of your house has either a relationship corner, it has a success corner for money, it has a health corner. Yeah, so all of those things, you have to make sure that your house has got positive vibes, positive energy all the time, a lot of light coming in, those kind of things. But you have to make sure, because when I was 7 years old, 8 years old, 9 years old, at that age also, my house was very dirty. I used to clean it myself. I somehow intuitively knew that I had to keep everything looking very clean and beautiful. And I would clean it to make sure that it looked nice. In my house, even like before marriage, before I ever got married, when I was single, when I got my own house, people used to laugh. Like a husband would call his wife and say, "Come here. Look at his wardrobe." Like my shirt, all my white shirts were like this. Like some people call it OCD. I call it's a normal thing. Why should you make it untidy? It's so you know all the white shirt like this, the black shirt like that, dark blue jeans, light blue, light blue, light blue. Everything good looking. It looks good. It feels good when it looks good. You understand? And when it looks good, it feels good. You send out a positive vibration in your life. And the first thing you do when you wake up is you make your bed. There's no brushing your teeth first. First thing you do is you make your bed, because it sets the mood for the rest of the day. Orderly, tidy, clean and neat. If you leave your bed messy for 2 hours and 3 hours, it's bullshit. It's not good. And you never brush your teeth in the morning. You brush your teeth only at night. And that too, you take a dental indent. It's because you think you brush your teeth, but if you take a Waterpik, you know what a Waterpik is? If you take a Waterpik, after you finish brushing it thoroughly, you brush for half an hour if you want. Half an hour. And then you take the Waterpik, you see the garbage that comes out, which was stuck between your teeth. So the Waterpik is the most important thing a dentist will not want you to know about, because it's very bad for their business. If you know what a Waterpik is and you use it every day in the night, you will never have a dental problem. And the other way you will never have a dental problem is oil pulling. You take sesame oil. If the dentist is telling you need a root canal, say give me 3 days and then I'll tell you if I'll do it or not. For 3 days, do oil pulling in the morning. Everybody knows oil pulling? Sesame oil or organic coconut oil. You do oil pulling for as long as you can do it. Like I do it for 20 minutes. Even if I go for a walk, I put the oil in my mouth. I don't have to talk to anyone. If I meet somebody, I'll just do this. I won't go chat with them. So I have the oil in my mouth. I go for a walk. And that it takes out the poison from the mouth. It takes out the poison from the inside your body. It's really good for you. Oil pulling. No, if your stomach is clean, you don't get bad breath. You get bad breath, bad smell from the sweat if your body is toxic. If you have any kind of toxicity in the body, it's a sign that your body is not healthy. There are some people who have such bad body odor that if even at this distance you can smell it. Really bad toxicity, really bad amount of ill health, bad health happening in that person's life. I know many people like that.